Congratulations on your Ocean Drive cover. It's beautiful. What do you think of the cover?
Oh my gosh, I have always wanted a cover where I was in a pool with the hair wet. It just is such a throwback to like a 1980s supermodel. And so this is one of my favorite covers I've done. And I love Greg Lotus, who's one of my favorite photographers. And I love Miami. So like all of it was like the perfect storm. The photo shoot was at Greg Lotus's house, which was really nice because it was kind of personal and fun, and we were just laid back and easy. Nobody recognizes me because I have bangs, and I'm like, I'm not like Clark Kent who has glasses and then all of a sudden he's Superman. It's fun and it's different. Ken Pavis cut it, and he was like, let's do something fun, and I can't believe how many years it took off. Like, everybody keeps telling me how young I look, and I'm like, had I known that, I would have done it a long time ago.
Well, speaking of, tomorrow is your birthday. Any special plans?
No. This is the big hoorah. It's the Ocean Drive cover that happens to fall on my birthday, so nothing big. It's uneventful. It's an uneventful age. You know, I always say you have more time in the day than you think. We waste a lot of time, and I'm just really efficient with how I use my time, and I always wanted to go back and get my degree, and I did it. And I've always wanted to be in politics, and I do it, and so it's kind of like the motto of just doing. You know, all those lists of sexy this or beautiful that are so flattering, but no, growing up as the ugly duckling, I never would have thought. But I always just send to my sisters who teased me the covers of every magazine, and I'm like, there.
Thank you.